Miyambi kamnandi mfethu njengoba ungibona ngijabule kanje ne ngiyacabanga everyone sikusemude esamabhakaniya umuzi omnyama uthiyami ama-branch aphumile with confidence to show ukuthi team yethu we are behind, we are the 12th man, understand. That was proven. Shama sold out always.
Thank you.
We were 2 games in succession. I mean, Shachwegu Nedbank Cup with a small team, Kasrik, we accepted the defeat.
Even from Sundowns.
From Sundowns is shyly out here, ne?
We accept as well.
We lost three key points there. Three crucial points. We are competing for the league, Betway, Nama, Sandawan. But then I understand, I go, okay, all our focus now is for the Soweto Derby because of Galilee pride me out. Between these two big teams, it's all pride is at stake.
Yeah, it's all about pride. Yeah.
That 3 points is a bonus to us because it's going to keep us there in position number 1. But the only main thing we see namhlanje out here is pride. Noma kanjani.
Shoot next time is lalela ma points.
Always between Chiefs and amabhakaniya is pride, Chief. Ngama points angeke asikhulumi nabo ngama points. Sicompete ngama points ne-Sundowns.
Oh yeah.
We understand out here. Lapha sikhulumi nabo bolamthuthu ngama points wamona. I discuss next nabo nama points. Ama-season andlulile, Chief. Sundowns position 1, Pirates 2. 1, 2, 1. Always. So that's why bolamthuthu angibabali indaba zama points. They will never be a way or a chance good new discuss nabo ngendaba zama points. Mina ngidiscuss nabo ngepride which it was at stake.
Today.
It's proven. In national team bedlala lawo ama-player wethu ayahamba not so long uJune baya ku-World Cup awuthiyami. Basirepresentile ku-CAF. Bo-representa i-country again ku-World Cup mfethu. Speti quality, speti depth. Emona ngazi yabona thina ibhola asilidlali kuma-paper or social media or what. Ibhola sidlala phansi. And asilidlalela phezulu sigijimisa phansi mfethu. That is the bhakaniya. Whoever likes it or hate it, no matter what, ibhakaniya idlala ibhola elimnandi. That's unfortunate. Yes. You know, to be honest with you out here, ne? We drove all the way from Mpumalanga. As Mashishing Extension branch. Sizenga ma-taxi for, but our main target was 10 taxis. Unfortunately, issue amatikiti isipayizisile yabona. Sangafuna ukuthatha irace ukuthi sigcwalisa abantu kuzoba ne-frustration la yabona. So into engizofisa ukuthi ba-improve issue i-ticketing man. I don't know, ticket sales, the system is costing us, it's frustrating. Yeah, frustrate abafethu man yabona. Baningi abantu abangayibonanga igame but bangaphandle abana access. Wayibona. If bangalungisa that one, I will be happy. But anyway, sochika siphindele move back to Mpumalanga. 3 points, clean sheet, position angisafuna ukukhuluma. Vele is number 1, it's obvious angithi. Then ipride mfethu solo kusayigijimisa. Basemuva kithi noma bavumi for the past 10, 12 years abayinto into abazophikisana nebhakaniya. Engishayile ukuthi siphume ku-Nedbank but bengitshela ukuthi the season siyaklina konke sibe mnandi yabona. But akunankinga uthi mina maybe mfethu maye sojika sishaya ingoma waya until back to Mpumalanga silala kunomuntu ozolala namhlanje. Masishishe extension branch asiphakamiseni. No deputy chairperson la we branch.
Mfethu sijabulile mfethu ngiyabonga Mashishing Extension branch. Ngikhelele.
Thanks out.
Ngiyabonga Tafux.
Sharp mfethu.
Thank you.